Morning, Han. Hi, Bibi.
Morning, Han. Han, it's time for us to find a yaya for our baby princess.
That was also my plan, Han, especially with our situation. You're a teacher, and next month I should have to go with my destination as a marine ship cook.
Then how could we find a yaya? We should make sure that our yaya hired is caring and can be trusted.
Yeah, of course. We should make sure with that. Don't worry, Han. I will ask help with my friends.
Okay, just make sure we can.
So, I will go jogging.
Okay, Han, take care.
Bye, Bibi. Bye, Han.
Oh my God, he's so handsome. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh my God, he's truly handsome. I should wait him here. Oh my God, he's coming. Hello, good morning.
You're still here. Are we neighbor?
No, I prepared to stand right here because of the fresh air, and because of the good look behind me, with the good surrounding.
Can I ask you something?
Of course, what's that?
Do you know who wants to apply Yaya?
Yaya, at your home, sir?
Yeah, actually, I have...
Me, sir.
You? You want to apply as Yaya?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm looking for a job and it's my opportunity.
Oh, what a destiny! Oh, Cecilia, how's my baby princess? Already sleeping?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you please hear properly in the room so that you have a little bit rest.
Yes, sir. Hi, Sir Brian is so very kind. He's my dream man that I long to be with. But he's already married. Sir?
Oh, what's the problem, Cecilia?
How about clean your room, sir?
No, Cecilia, it's not your concern. Go to baby princess.
Coffee, sir.
I said no.
What about juice, sir?
I said no. You don't understand? Go out.
Okay, sir, I'm sorry. Oh my God.
It's your mom, Erica. Cecilia, can you please open the door?
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. How's baby princess? Still sleeping, ma'am. She already eaten? Yes, ma'am. Okay, good. Can you do this to my room?
Hi, Anne. How's your work?
Hi, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am, but it's so tired.
You want a massage?
Sir, sure. Thank you, ma'am. You're so sweet.
Cecilia, what's the problem?
Nothing, sir. You know what, baby? I have no choice. My dream mom is already taken. I love your father, but he can't love me back because of you, because of your mother.
Cecilia? 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 Bibi? Bibi? Han, Han! Han! Han!
What?
Cecilia and our baby are no longer here.
Why?
Baby! 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 Call the police!
Okay.
Please do something! Please! Baby! You do the card. I can't. Where's the money? Oh, down first.
That vinegar?
Oops. Return it. Marisa! Marisa!
What happened to you, Cecilia?
Nothing, Marisa!
I am so excited with my graduation tomorrow.
Marisa! Marisa! Are you finished? Oh, what's that?
That's my toga, Ma. Tomorrow is my graduation party. And you know what, Ma? I am the valedictorian of the batch.
And then? Just finish your work so that I can have the money of that laundry! God!
Doing this, Ma! I tried my best. I do everything so that you will be happy, Ma. You did not treat me as your own daughter.
Are you finished cooking? What's up? Sardines? Marisa, you already know that I don't eat sardines.
But Ma, we don't have money. Because you don't know the and you didn't even attend my graduation.
You're so way, Marisa. By the way, since you finished your elementary, it's time for you to focus on your work as a laundry girl.
But Ma, I want to proceed high school. Anyway, I am a full scholar and I don't need to pay my school. Anyway, Ma, I will still receive loan for you, Ma. Please allow me to go to school, Ma. Please.
Okay, just do your job well. By the way, your cousin Winnie will be staying with us tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Ma.
Okay. Just change this, Marisa. As I've said, I don't like this.
Yes, Ma.
Marisa, come here.
Yes, Ma.
Here's your cousin Winnie. For the meantime, she will stay with us.
Hi, Lenny.
Lenny, help Marisa with her work.
Okay.
Marisa, just finish your work as soon as possible so that I can get the money. My monthly wage is waiting. Okay, bye.
Bye. Do you know what?
Marisa. She's your mother. It's your duty and responsibility to discipline you.
But it is also her duty to take care of me and
Love me. Look, you're so OA, Marisa. Start your laundry so that Aunt will not scold you.
Can you help me, Mommy?
I'm so tired. And anyway, it's your work.
I don't even wash dishes at home.
How much with that? Marisa?
What, Lenny?
Can you get me some water?
Lenny, you have your own feet. Do you see? I have a lot of things to do.
So, you're getting me now.
What are we going to do here?
Forcing me to do this one.
You're so pathetic.
I am so pathetic. Huh? This was pathetic too. This was pathetic too, Marisa.
You see why you're doing this to me?
Clean all of this. Huh? Clean all of this. Clean all.
Mom, where are you? Please save me from this hazardous place.
Marisa?
Yes, Mom.
Where is Lenny?
I don't know, Mom.
What's this? Clean this, Marisa. Hey, you're so careless.
I have something to ask you, Mom.
What's that?
Where's my father?
Do you want to know? Listen to me, Marisa. Your evil father raped me. I am their maid, and when I clean his room, he entered immediately and raped me. Then stop mentioning your evil father.
But she's still my father. I am still hoping that one of these days you will save me from this unpleasant and hazardous place. Mom, where are you?
Please come in.
Good morning, Nina.
Good morning.
Thank you, Nina.
What brought you here?
Nina, you know already.
Yeah, I know. You have a paper, right?
Yes, Nina.
What's that?
I have a classmate.
And then?
She graduated as valedictorian, but unfortunately, her mother was so strict. She don't want Marisa to go to college.
Oh, what kind of mother is that? Where is she, Joanna? I will help her. I will convince her mother.
You know, Nina, her mother don't even treat her as her daughter.
Oh, that was heartbreaking. I need to help her, Joanna. I will personally go to their house and I will talk to her mother.
Okay, Nina. Thank you so much. I will inform her immediately, Nina.
Okay.
Okay, Nina. Thanks.
Inform her that I will be there tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Marisa? Oh, Joanna. You're here. I'm Lenny. Where's Marisa? I don't know. Where is she?
Joanna?
Hi, Marisa. Lenny? What I mean, I will call Marisa. I have to go.
You're here. Joanna, why are you here?
Marisa, I have a good news for you.
What?
You know what, Ma? Mrs. Erica Jimenez will be here today. It will help me to proceed college.
Marisa, as I've said, I don't want you to go to college. That's devastation to your work. How can I get money?
But Mom, he's the principal of the university. It's not Joe. She is Mrs. Erica Jimenez.
Erica Jimenez?
Yes, Mom. What's the problem? I think she has a husband who is good in cooking. I think it's Mr. Brian Jimenez.
What?
What's the problem, Ma? What's the problem, Ma?
No, Marisa, don't allow the principal to be here.
But Mom, you will help me.
No, Marisa, I need to go. I mean, I
Seminar? What time?
9 a.m. today.
9 a.m. today? Okay, thank you. Marisa, I'm so sorry. It's that time.
It's
You
okay,
have to
Mom.
go.
I'm so very thankful to both of you.
Okay, don't worry, Iha. I will help you.
Thank you so much, Mom.
You should go now, Marisa.
Thank you so much, Joanna.
Don't worry, Iha. I will go now.
Yes, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
I think something that girl in Marisa's paper. I can't explain my feelings. Your mother is that her as my daughter. But why? I think this is it. I think she is my daughter. Hello, Han. How are you?
Oh, what happened to your voice? Are you sick?
No, I haven't. But Han, I think
Oh, Han. We try our best to find her, but nothing happens. You're just imagining.
no, Han. I'm not imagining.
Okay, I will go home next week.
Han, have you?
Marisa, Lenny, give your face faster. We should leave this place right now. But why, Anita? What's the problem? What's happening, Mom? Stop asking. Just move your face faster. Yes, Mom. I don't understand. Steve. Why, Mom? Faster, Marisa. Faster, Lenny. Marisa, I am so sorry. Yes, Ma, I don't understand you, Mom. Oh, there's the police! Run, Marisa, run! Oh, Steve! What's this? I don't understand. What's this? Marisa, I am sorry.
Sir, what's happening? I don't understand. Marisa, I am so sorry. I'm sorry. What's happening? I don't know.
Marisa?
Sir, Mom, I don't understand this. Why is it happening?
Cecilia? Cecilia? Please, Miss Cecilia. You and nothing. How could you do this to us? Marisa, your daughter. Answer me, Cecilia. Marisa is our daughter. Marisa?
Yes, Mom. Sorry, Marisa. Thank you. I am Mariana. I did love you because I love your father. And even though he didn't love me. I'm sorry, Marisa. I'm sorry, Erica. I'm sorry, Brian.
Cecilia? Cecilia? Why did you leave us?
Ibalik sa Juan. Ibalik ka, Juan. Kaya wapa ko ka. Juan. Klaro ka.
Don't worry, we'll be fine if we just wait.
I have no choice.
Let's try to relate.
But he can't love me because of you.
Oh, in our own world, we'll be okay. Oh yeah.
Let's say
Atay ko. Marisa?
The clock ticks faster on these days.
Lene ka karon.
And ticking talks the way can love thrash it.
What's happening?
It's happening,
Let's try to
Mommy.
relate.
Stop asking, just move the things faster.
'Cause in a bright world, we'll be okay. Oh yeah. And we'll be under the moonlight, dancing away like two silhouettes in the sand. What a sight. Can you see? Can you see me? Or is this a dream? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Namuhuli na.